Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best magnetic window cleaner you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best magnetic window cleaner on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which best magnetic window cleaner are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is generic double-sided magnetic windshield cleaner. The generic double-sided window cleaner glass wiper offers a clever solution for cleaning windows, particularly double-glazed or hard-to-reach ones. Its magnetic design makes cleaning faster and more convenient, especially for large or tall windows. However, it's important to note that it works best on thinner glass and flat surfaces. The magnetic design allows you to clean both the inside and outside of your windows at the same time. This is especially useful for hard-to-reach areas such as tall windows or car windshields. One of the standout features is its adjustable magnetic strength, which makes it compatible with windows of varying thicknesses. This flexibility is great for homes with different types of windows or car windshields. Cleaning both sides of a window simultaneously cuts down on cleaning time significantly. It's especially convenient for people who have large or hard-to-reach windows and want to avoid constantly moving between indoors and outdoors. The tool is relatively simple to operate. You just place the 2 magnetic halves on either side of the glass and move one side to clean both. The design is intuitive, and the cleaning surface is absorbent enough to remove dirt effectively. The wiper is small and easy to store. For details, let's watch more. Our second best magnetic window cleaner is Wpzeqixz Magnetic Window Cleaner. The Wpzeqixz Magnetic Window Cleaner is designed to help users clean both sides of their windows simultaneously, particularly high-rise windows and car windshields. The magnetic tool aims to make window cleaning more efficient and less physically demanding. The main benefit of the Wpzeqixz cleaner is its ability to clean both the inside and outside of a window at the same time. This feature is especially helpful for high-rise buildings or hard-to-reach windows where traditional cleaning would be challenging. Being able to clean both sides of a window at once can cut your cleaning time in half, which is particularly useful for large windows or high-rise apartment dwellers who don't have easy access to the exterior of their windows. This tool is also marketed for car windshields, making it a versatile cleaner. It works best on flat sections of the windshield, and the magnets provide solid contact for both interior and exterior cleaning. The magnets are strong enough to stay attached to standard thickness glass, ensuring the tool doesn't easily slip off during cleaning. This makes the cleaning process smooth and minimizes frustration. Its compact design makes it easy to store, whether in a car or at home. You can tuck it away in a glove compartment or cleaning supply cabinet without taking up too much space. For details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is MLOHASING Magnetic Window Cleaner. The MLOHASING Green Magnetic Window Cleaner is a practical tool designed to help users clean both sides of their windows simultaneously. Its strong magnets and unique design aim to make window cleaning efficient, especially for high-rise buildings or hard-to-reach windows. This magnetic cleaner allows you to clean the inside and outside of windows at the same time. This feature is especially useful for hard-to-reach areas like high-rise windows, where cleaning the exterior is often a challenge. The cleaner's magnets are powerful, offering a secure grip on standard window thicknesses. The strength of the magnets ensures that the tool stays in place during use, providing consistent pressure for an effective clean. One standout feature is the ability to adjust the magnetic force. This makes the MLOHASING suitable for different window thicknesses, from standard to double-glazed windows, offering more versatility than many other magnetic cleaners. The cleaning pads are eco-friendly and reusable, which is a plus for anyone trying to reduce waste. You can simply wash and reuse the pads after each cleaning session. By cleaning both sides of the windows simultaneously, the MLOHASING cleaner cuts down cleaning time significantly. It's especially helpful for larger windows, saving time and physical effort. For details, let's watch more. Fourth recommendation in our side is Bestgle Magnetic Scrubber Cleaner. The Bestgle Aquarium Glass Magnetic Scrubber Cleaner is a specialized tool designed for removing algae and grime from aquarium glass. Its floating design, magnetic attachment, and ease of use make it a popular choice for those with fish tanks under 60 gallons. The magnetic feature allows for convenient algae removal without getting your hands wet. One half of the scrubber stays inside the tank while the other is guided from the outside, making it easy to clean both small and large sections of glass. The scrubber's floating design is a lifesaver. If the magnets disconnect during use, the inner cleaning pad floats to the surface instead of sinking to the bottom, making it easy to retrieve and reattach. The scrubber efficiently removes most types of algae buildup, especially on glass tanks. It handles daily maintenance cleaning well and helps keep the aquarium looking clear and healthy. The external magnet has a sturdy and ergonomic grip, making it easy to maneuver along the glass surface without straining your hand. It's lightweight and feels comfortable even during longer cleaning sessions. The magnets are strong, and the scrubber materials feel durable, ensuring the product lasts for frequent use. Last in our top 5 best magnetic window cleaner list is RandJ Magnetic Windshield Cleaner. The RandJ Magnetic Windshield Cleaner tool is a double-sided magnetic window cleaner designed for cleaning high-rise and double-glazed windows. Its unique magnetic functionality allows users to clean both sides of the window simultaneously, making it a great tool for hard-to-reach or high-rise windows. The double-sided magnetic design allows you to clean both the inside and outside of your windows at the same time. This is particularly helpful for high-rise apartments or hard-to-access windows, saving you time and effort. The magnets are strong enough to hold through thicker, double-glazed windows, ensuring both sides of the cleaner stay aligned during use. This feature makes it reliable for windows with thicker glass panes. This cleaner comes with adjustable magnetic strength, allowing you to fine-tune the magnetic force for various window thicknesses. This feature is useful for ensuring the perfect cleaning pressure without the magnets slipping. The built-in cleaning pads effectively remove dirt, dust, and streaks, leaving your windows clean and streak-free. They are durable and can handle multiple uses before needing replacement. The attached safety string prevents the outside part of the cleaner from falling if the magnets become misaligned or slip. This is particularly reassuring for users cleaning windows on higher floors.